Would you believe me if I told you that making money as a live streamer on Twitch isn't just about live streaming on Twitch? Would you believe me if I told you that you could make money whilst you're offline, when you're not streaming, and better yet, whilst you're asleep? In this video, I'm going to teach you a few different ways that you could be generating more money and more income whilst you're online with your live streaming and whilst you're offline at the same time. So there are two main ways of generating income online. The first way is active income. This just means where you're actually showing up and you're live streaming, you're trading time for money. The second way is passive income. Now, passive income is basically something that you just set up once and you let it generate income for as long as you want, really. You could look at these as a set and forget type of income. The methods mentioned in this video are all methods that I'm using currently just to make myself a little bit more money whilst I'm offline. Now, don't get me wrong, this video is not a get rich quick scheme. It's really not one of those videos at all. You have to put a little bit of work in just at the start, but it will pay off in the end, trust me. You can look at this video and these methods as just a little add-on to your live streaming. Alright, let me give you a quick example. Say for instance, you're making around £20 per day from some of these methods that you implement from this video. £20 per day, times that by 365 days of the year, that's an extra £7,300 income on your salary per year. £20 a day, that's it. And obviously this goes without saying that the more your stream grows, the bigger your audience gets, the more income you can make every single day. It grows and grows and grows. And the best thing is, some of these methods really don't take long to set up at all. Just before we get into the video, I want to say a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Owned.tv. Owned.tv is the place for all of your streaming needs. They've got you completely covered with overlays, stream designs, alerts, emotes, Twitch panels, and much, much more. Regardless of the streaming platform or software that you use, all of Owned's products will work without hesitation. So go and do what over 100,000 streamers have already done and pick up your designs today. All of Owned's overlay packs are modular, meaning that if you and your mates pick up the same overlay pack, you can pick and choose which elements you want to use, just so your streams don't look the same. Using the link in the description does help the channel at no extra cost to yourself, and whilst you're there, you might as well use code LeonBrat for 50% off your order. 50%. Alright, back to the video. The first method I want to get out of the way is Twitch. Now, Twitch can be looked at as active income and passive income. Obviously, whilst you are live and you are streaming on Twitch, that is active income. You're trading the time for that money. However, you will be getting those resubscribers in every single day whilst you're offline. This is why I've put Twitch in the active and passive income category. As a quick example of what I'm getting personally, I've got just over 17,000 followers on Twitch, and I'm getting between 2 to 10 resubs every single day whilst I'm offline. The second method is affiliate links. Now, this is passive income. Affiliate links are a fantastic passive income stream. Now, these could be links to your gear setup, they could be links to your microphone that you use, they could be a link to anything that you want to sell that you're going to get a commission from. Say for instance, you've got all of your gear, say guitars and loop pedals, all of that stuff. You can actually make those Amazon affiliate links, pop those into your Twitch channel in your about section, and when people click on those links and purchase, you will make a commission off of each of those sales. Also, if you're creating YouTube videos, which you should be doing if you're a live streamer on Twitch, all you need to do is every single upload that you do on YouTube, just put exactly the same affiliate links into those descriptions of each video. It all adds up. See, I post 2 videos a week to YouTube. That's 104 videos a year. And that's 104 times I'm posting those links to a portfolio of evergreen content. The more videos you make, the more your channel grows, the more commissions you're making on those affiliate sales. Also note that if someone clicks on one of your affiliate links, it's not just for that specific product that you can earn commissions on. It's for any product they buy on Amazon after clicking your link. Method number 3 is YouTube ads. Now, this is passive income as well. Creating YouTube videos does take a few hours up front, but it's always going to be there to generate you income. Now, don't get me wrong, it can be a very long grind until you start getting paid with YouTube. For me personally, I've been uploading videos twice a week for about 18 months, and it's only in the past couple of months that I've started to get paid. That's only £1 to £3 a day as well. However, £3 a day, times that by 365 days of the year, That's basically £1,100. Like I said before, the more videos you make, the more your channel grows, the more money you're gonna make. Method number 4 is merch. Also, passive income. Merch sales can vary with how much there is to be made. However, once you've got all the store set up, you've got all your designs done, you've got everything ready to go, it's time to let those timers and the commands in your Twitch chat do all the work for you. I would highly recommend that you use a print-on-demand service for your merch. This just means that whenever someone's purchased a hoodie or a t-shirt from you, the company that does the print-on-demand service has already started fulfilling that item, and they're already going to do the delivery, and you don't have to touch anything. This also means that you don't have to have boxes and boxes and boxes of stock that you may never sell. That can be expensive. Method number 5 is for the musicians out there, and this is your original music royalties. Like I said, this one is for the musicians out there who write and release their own songs. You can have your songs uploaded to, say, Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, etc, 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 and you're just going to make money on the streams and the sales of those songs. Now, as a small artist, you may only receive a couple of pounds a month. However, if one of your songs gets picked up into, say, a big playlist, or a couple of songs get into a big playlist, then there is a lot of money to be made. There's no doubt about it, there is a lot of money to be made. Method number 6 is starting your own online store. Now, this one could be looked at as either active or passive income. Both work for this one. If you're a creative person and you make things which you could potentially sell, start an online store. For me personally, I don't do this. This is the only method out of these ones that I don't do. Well, technically, I do kind of do it because I've got the merch store, although we've already mentioned that. But this one's more for paintings and jewelry, maybe personalized cards, that kind of thing. That's where the active income is. But say, for instance, you make Twitch emotes, which are not personalized and they're just global Twitch emotes, then that's where it kind of falls into the active income as well. If you feel like you've got the potential to make a store, go and do it. What's the worst that can happen? Method number 7 is sponsorships. I added sponsorships to this video because, yes, small channels can still get sponsored. But before you go and take the first opportunity that comes your way, or you start going to email every single company in the world, you have to make sure that the company that you want to work with fits with your brand and your stream. That brand and sponsorship has to fit with your stream, otherwise it's pointless. Now, sponsorships can make you anything from absolutely nothing to a few £1,000s a month. It depends on the deal, depends on the size of your channel, it depends on a lot of things actually. Brands can also send you products to promote or review, that kind of thing. So there we go. I hope you found this video helpful. This video really was just a little insight to what I'm doing personally, just to show you that live streaming on Twitch isn't like the only way you can make money on the internet as a live streamer. You have to be putting all of these different feelers out there just to generate a little bit more money every single month. If you wanted to know a little bit more about any of these methods explained in the video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and maybe in a future video I can go a lot deeper into any of these methods for you. If this video has helped you out at all, then please do smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and I'll see you next week for the next video. Take it easy, stay safe, I love you, peace out.